Hey, what's up everybody? It's Todd from Clever Supply. Just getting ready to head to work. And yeah, today we're just gonna like show off the space a little bit, and I thought I would just kind of show you a day in the life of what it's like to work at Clever Supply. So strap in, here we go. We're at the shop now, and it's gonna give you a quick speed tour, and then we're gonna get some work done. Let's do it. We'll do a full tour one day, but for now, just gonna get you acquainted with the overall space. So this is our lounge area where we hang out. We have our studio, and then we have our workshop. This is our cutting table, and primarily we're cutting out straps, cutting from leather hides. Then down below we have our leather storage, so lots of different leathers that we use. This is our hand press. Essentially it's a clicker that allows us to cut our dies and allows us to stamp things. A large clicker press here. Really, it's just the difference between the two is this one's electric, the other one's manual with a hand, and this one also has a bigger plate. This is where the magic happens, where we package your orders and get them ready to be picked up. So now that we've established the space, we're gonna get to work. Cut it to length. Good. And we're gonna be using this big boy today for this, so it's gonna get a little bit noisy. Apologies in advance. Now we're done with this. And we need to stamp it. So let's set you guys over here. Take our die here. Line it up. There it is. Boom. Alright. So now we're ready to stitch. All right, YouTube, thanks for following along. Let me know what you want to see, if it's certain straps or if it's certain behind the scenes type footage. Yeah, just would love to do a little bit more of this. So let me know in the comments, and see you in the next one. Is this what a good thumbnail looks like?